Hi, once again, welcome to Moneyhorn. I was having a break, so this is the video that I would like to share you with some updates. So this is how to earn passive income through cryptocurrency. My updates of WeShareAbundance and Vortic United you are going to see in this video. Just stay with me. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. So just going back to the site, this is the site and the WeShareAbundance site, and this is Vortic United. This is my dashboard. I'm just clicking it in front of you. These are all real portfolio. If I just click on the WeShareAbundance staking, you can see that I have invested like $100 here in the secondary stakes, and they have stable stakes, which is like here I have also invested $100 here, and so in total $200 invested here. And I would like to show you my overall updates right now. So if I just go on to this, you can see that I have to just log in daily to this website to get my dividend, every daily dividends. So they are just accumulated daily. Here you can see these are the login viewers that are just added to my transactions, and when a month passed, and in the first of or second in every month, they just took the withdrawals amount and paid it to the customers. So if I just click on the withdrawals sections here, you can see from that $100 here in the secondary stakes, $100 I invested, and I already got paid this amount. These are like $19, almost $20 here in the, and $10, $10, and $11. So in total it's almost $80 plus. So it's $80, $81 plus amount. So these are the amount I already got paid for my $100 stake. This is secondary stakes. For that $100 I already got paid $81 plus from this side. So it's almost getting my amount back. After that, I'm going to move into total pure profit. So this is it, guys. It's not get rich quick scheme. Those are very risky. So these are not that type of thing. So I am working with this website for like 3 to 4 years now. It's almost 4 years now I have been with this website, and the owner is really transparent person. So this is, guys, if I just go on to my Binance account, if I just go on to there, here is my Binance account, you can see that they shows just like past 3 months result transactions history, because WeShareAbundance paid me using Binance Pay ID. So the pay transactions are they do not show for more than 3 months. So this is the last 3 months payment I have received. You can see the $37 here. If I just forget it, that is for the stable stakes. Stable stakes is what I have invested in $100 in stable stakes, and it just require 1 login per month to get that amount, get the profit amount. And if I just go on to my transaction history, the minimum is $20. So for $100 every month, it's going to pay me $20. So I have joined 3 days later for a month count. So the first month count was $17 plus, and then the second month is $20. So in total, in the third month withdrawal, I got like $37. So if I just go over to the withdrawal sections, they just paid me $37 for stable stakes. And you can see in my transaction history, this is the amount for stable stakes payment from WeShareAbundance, $37, and these are 10, and $11 are from these stable secondary stakes withdrawals in the last 3 months. You can see 10, and 11. These are the amount 10, and $11 that I got payment, and I also got the payment of 19, 10, 19, but I cannot show you because Binance doesn't allow that. So this is the story so far with WeShareAbundance. This is a really stable and really solid site, but disclaimer is I am not a financial advisor and I do not provide any financial advice. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. Responsibility is yours. Your investment is your responsibility. I'm not responsible for anyone's investment. So do your due diligence and invest if you want to try this out. And that's it. I always suggest risk anything that you can afford to lose, always. So this is the site. I think these are the good sites. And the second site is Vortic United. Always, this is the Vortic United dashboard. You can see for like I have, if I just go over to their packages, you can see minimum investment is $50 here. 1st of January, I have purchased the plan A for like $69, and then you can see I already got like $76 profit from this, so it's already in profit. But I reinvested some amount in the third plan, but then I invest another $58 in the second plan. You can see $58, in total $127 that I just invested here in Vortic, and in total I got paid. Like if I just go over to the transaction and withdrawal, and you can see these are the withdrawals, and the last withdrawals they are showing me. I have started in January, and every month's payments are here. You can see 10, 12, 11, 11, 20, and 31. So in total it's like $95 plus. $95 plus I have already got it in my Binance account, and I have reinvested it in through a $50 package in the third plan. You can see in the third plan I have invested $65, so rest of the amount is in my Binance account. But anyway, these are all my profit. Though I have reinvested it, it's for my better opportunity. I invested it, reinvested it. But this is it, guys. For like $127 investment, I already got like $95. So it's almost getting to my balance back, and when after that it's going to be pure profit. So far these all the both of these sites are really working really great. They are totally transparent. You can see if you just go over to their reporting sections, Vortic is a site that trades cryptocurrency and forex in, and they just put their records here. You can see the loss and profits all are in front of you. The trades they lost, you can see the amount they lost, and their trades the profit, you can see how much they profit. Every week they update this, and this is pure transparent systems. And if obviously if you watch my previous videos about Vortic, this guy the Jensen is really transparent. The first ever site I have seen that the CEO of an investment site is speaking to their customers. This is really amazing. He is not hidden behind the curtain. He is in front of you. You can talk to him and you can learn about the system, how this works. So these things really great. But if I just go over to the withdrawal, these are all my 6 withdrawals. If I just go over to my Binance transactions history, and if I just select like for the past 6 months, I guess, if I just continue, and it will load the past 6 months transactions, it's showing me my other payments anyway. Beside that, I'm going to show you there is going to 5% fee for every withdrawals. So the amount is $10. In January I got like $9.5 here. This is the $9.5 I get from in January. In February, $12. There is the $12 I get like $11.4. On March, $11.31. So that is on March $10.74. And then on April, $11.10, which is like April $10.54. It's deducting the 5% fee, then it sends the money to my Binance account. And on June 3rd of June, I got like 20 USDT, and that is like on June it's 19 USDT after cutting the 5% fee. And last but not least, I got on 1st of July, I got by 31 USDT, and that is after 5% fee deductions, it's $29.45 that is added to my balance. That is here. I got paid from this side. This is a real. I'm not just taking screenshots. These are all real. So these sites really working great. Both of these sites, this is WeShareAbundance and Vortic United, both are working really great. But obviously disclaimer is I'm not a financial advisor and I don't provide any financial advice. So do your own research, do your own due diligence. Responsibility is yours. Your investment is your responsibility. I'm not responsible about your investment, and I always suggest invest anything that you can afford to lose. But in my eyes, in my experience, these two sites seems really good. So you can obviously try it, and you can definitely going to get some profit. I believe so. So that is it. If you just want to do it, you can try it. The link in the first comment below, you can get both of the site links in the first comment below. If you want to try it, you can try it. But this is it, guys. I have also other money making videos in my channels, Money Horn, so you can watch and learn about it without any investment. You can earn money online by following those methods, or if you want to invest, you can follow these investment videos as well. So simple as that. So this is it, guys. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.